Hello, we're going to go ahead and show you how to use Slido in Google Slides. So I've already added it as an add-on. You can either access it through the toolbar here, or you can click add-on and then Slido. So we have the sidebar open. You can see I have these different options for what kind of question I want to ask. This software allows students to participate in polls in class. So we're going to do an open text question. You say, what do you know about lobbyists? And then you can change it to see either to allow multiple answers or to see the results on a different timetable. So I want to show the results immediately. I want to save them. So I'm going to go add to presentation. We're going to add this in to my presentation. We're going to have this saying, what do we know about lobbyists? So we're going to go ahead and present with Slido. You can see we have our slide here. It still uses the same transitions, you can see. And then we're going to click here. You can even click forward. And then you can see there's a QR code so students can they can use their phones or whatever camera that they have to join in on that. So I'm going to do that with my phone here. Or they can join at that link there. So I'm going to go to this active poll. What do I know about lobbyists? And I might say they work to help convince elected officials to vote on certain bills. Send that in, and then you can see it appears immediately, and boom, there it is. So this is a great tool to help spark and moderate conversations on Google Slides, and can be embedded into Google Slides. So there's no clicking required; it's just there, which is pretty cool. And you can design it to do whatever kind of questions you want. So this helps. I feel like it's a great method of assessment as well, so you can have a more data-driven classroom, and that's something that's pretty special. So hopefully you enjoyed.